Okay, there are a lot of ways to do this, and I just looked at the way I did it, and it's a little different, but I think it's probably the easiest way. Some of you might have been tempted to convert all of these to your 454, so get your multiplication factor, and then figure out for 454 how much, we already figured out the methyl, this mixture, but figure out how much of the sodium lauryl sulfate you needed, the propylene glycol, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, and then add up all those and subtract it from the 454, right? That would work. You can do it that way, but I think this way might be a little bit shorter. So the way I did it was I said, let's just figure it out totally for the 1,000 grams. Whoops, wait, where am I? For the 1,000 grams. Let's figure out just how many ingredients we would need for the 1,000 grams, including this 4%. So it's all given to me. We know we need already. We need 10 grams of this, 120 of this, 150 of this, and 250 of this. What we don't know is how much we need for the 4%, methylparaben, propylparaben. So what I said down here was we need 4% of 1,000 grams. Whoops, sorry, 1,000. I feel nervous not having you guys here to tell me when I make mistakes, because I'm hoping I didn't make a really silly mistake up there and didn't catch it. Okay, 4% of 1,000 grams, and that equals, I'm going to just, again, convert that to my decimal fraction, which is 0.04 times 1,000, and that equals 40 grams, all right? So if I were to make this whole 1,000 grams of this cream, I would need 40 grams of the methylparaben, propylparaben. All right, so I need 40 grams of that. And then I need just exactly what it says up here of all the other ingredients. So I need 10 grams plus 120 plus 150 plus 250, okay? So I'm going to add those up here, plus 10 grams plus 120 grams plus 150 grams plus 250 grams. Again, that corresponds to all of these, right? From there to there, all right? And what I get is a total of 570 grams. So looking back up at this recipe for the 1,000, all of this weighs 570 grams. What I'm asking in this question, excuse me, is how much purified water will I need? Well, it's measured up here in grams. You're going to QS up to 1,000 grams. So I've already got 570 grams of ingredients, and I need to QS up to a weight of 1,000. So 1,000 minus 570 equals 430 grams of water. All right? That's how much water I'm going to need for the 1,000 grams here. But the question I asked was how much you would need for the 1 pound. Well, if I know how much I need for 1,000 grams, it's really easy to figure out how much water I would need for 454 grams, or 1 pound. I'm going to use a simple ratio proportion. I'm going to say there's 430 grams of water to 1,000 grams total of my mixture, whatever it is, my recipe, and that equals how many grams to 454 grams total. In this case, X comes out to be 195.2 grams of water. So again, I just use that ratio proportion to get that final answer, comparing it, the 1,000 grams to the 454 grams. All right? That's one way. There's many, 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 many ways to do it. The other thing I wanted to say was up here, this 18.2, doing this 454 times 0.04, getting 18.2, and then doing this. I could have done this in one-dimensional analysis problem too. All I would have done is kept my 4% as 4 grams per 100 grams, and it would have worked out the same way. All right, so many ways to do the problems, just do them right, get the right answer, and everybody will be happy. Okay, let me see what's on the next page.